for you, ano yung nakikita mo with your future? Will you be back in politics? Back in, well, in the song business, you're still there. But are you considering isa pang big hit, isa pang larga?
It's a good question, pare, that you brought that up. Because that I've been mulling about that.
Yeah.
Because I've been in the industry for more than 35 years now.
That's right.
And that's something that you realize. It's a blessing to be around and like this. But
Tama.
Sustainability.
You always ask, sustainability. What's going to be next? So, and then there's also that political side. Especially now that we feel medyo, pwede nang anahin si Jada.
Medyo
Kasi meron
stable
na. Medyo nakaano na siya, nakapundar na slowly. Although she's not yet where she wants to be. But at least, meron na kaming, meron na kaming, kumbaga, pwede na namin siyang iwanan. Hindi na kami kailangan yung tutok katulad ng dati. So, you know, that's something that I will be praying for during the holidays. But it's a timing na tinanong mo yan.
Parang malapit na yan.
Hindi. Pinag-usapan namin yan kung ano ba yung magiging next. I mean, remember last election, dapat sasama ako, di ba, dapat sa inyo. But hindi talaga nag-work out. I was in the States nung, I was considering it, but it didn't work out.
Yes.
I'm not closing the doors in politics because I think it's somewhere down within me.
Time to give back.
Yeah, and, you know, sa akin, lalo na if magkakaroon ng opportunity, alam mo, gusto ko tumulong sa national government. Sa totoo lang. I mean, local will always be there, but national government talaga eh.
But saka maganda sa'yo, pare, may direction, yung, kumbaga, hindi ka lang yung umupo, tas bahala na, di ba? Ito yung gagawin ko. I mean, you organize several, di ba? City of the Stars, then you organize several events for the city. Secure, I want this to be now kasi nakita ko yung development. I mean, tama, the vision is there. And you have the capability to execute, no? Siguro yung frustration mo lang, hindi sa iyo yung poder
ganun talaga di ba? So, yun lang ang difference. That's why nga sabi ko sana, wherever that may be, I'm not closing my doors, but let's say, halimbawa, example nyari ikaw, let's say you get to an appointment.
Yes.
Alam mo naman yung capacity ko.
Yes.
I can work with you. Di ba? And then we'll try to do this. All it takes is one person to believe in you and seize your vision and then work with you towards that vision.